Meaning of inventory.
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 Inventory. The term inventory refers to the goods or materials that a business holds in stock and plans to sell to customers. In other words, inventory is the stock of goods that a company has available for sale or use in production. This can include finished products ready to be sold, raw materials waiting to be turned into finished products, and work-in-progress items that are in the process of being manufactured. Accurately managing inventory levels is critical to the success of many businesses, especially those in the retail and manufacturing industries.